Kyle Schaefer here at the AudioControl booth of ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. We're debuting our brand new flagship XR-8 theater receiver. This is an all-in-one processor, receiver, amplification. It's a complete package. 16 channels of processing, 7 amplified channels, 100 watts per channel, 200 at 4 ohms, 100 at 8. And you have all the RCA outs on the back to configure all the additional channels you need to go beyond your 7 channels. This whole family ships with a Dirac license and microphone featuring the new Dirac with bass management software. It also has Bluetooth streaming and Wi-Fi streaming built into the product, and as well as a lot of different apps such as Spotify, Pandora, YouTube. In addition to that, it's a Roon endpoint, has Airplay built in, and you can cast straight to it. This is a fantastic product featuring a Class H amplifier, and it's part of the whole family, delivering you the very best audio control theater experience that we can. Please visit our website, audiocontrol.com, for more information.